Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mama Nigel's Kitchen. Today, we are debuting our Spring Edition 2022 Tablescape. Spring and Easter Tablescape. Yes, we are going to be going with our color of choice for this year, yellow as well as blue and white. Wow, what an amazing combination. So guys, you are in for a treat. Thank you for coming in. If this is your first time visiting, much welcome to all my subscribers and my returning viewers. Thank you all so much. This is gonna be a treat for everyone. Officially, the spring begins March 20th. However, we are going to kick this off at an earlier time today. So guys, yes, you all know I cannot wait. We have had some series of our spring videos. I hope you have been enjoying each and every one of them. If you haven't, take a minute, click on all the links below and enjoy so that you don't miss out on anything. And remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. So guys, without further ado, I am ready to get right into the details. My color of choice this year is yellow, light yellow. It just brings that sunburst energy. Yes. So that is what I'm going for this year, and I'm going to be complementing that with some Chinoiserie decor pieces, some heirloom pieces that I have, dinnerware set, as well as the ginger jar. So guys, this is going to be really exquisite, and complementing that also with some gold. To kick off my spring decor, I started with this beautiful floral arrangement using light yellow flowers as well as a touch of white and greenery in my Chinoiserie ginger jar. Guys, it is just a wow compliment to the spring decor. It is portable, it can be moved from one location to the other. So guys, I can't wait to reveal that to you. But for now, I am going to continue on my tablescape by layering this table runner in mustard gold color across the island. Straightening that up as you see me do, I have tucked that in under that beautiful beaded placemat that have all the essential color coordination for spring. And here is a peek at the bunny rabbit. Yes. Yeah, here you go. Guys, all those color, the pastel color of spring represented here. This bunny rabbit was actually quite affordable. I picked this up because of its durability, and it is going to last for a lifetime, guys. Complementing gold or metals with floral design is always a beautiful thing to do. So I have a silver bunny rabbit, and I have some greenery at the base, which is the moss. Quite easy to put together, guys, and highly affordable. The moss, again, $3 a pack, and pick up some Easter bunny eggs, which is again quite cheap. So here, I'm going to show you what I actually did. As you can see, it's just the moss going on to that Easter bunny base. Onto that, I'm going to just, in a fairly scattered way, place those eggs without even any consideration for any color coordination. Just whatever pleases you. That is what you are going for here, guys. Just arrange that as you please. And voila, it is quite simple. Isn't that such a simple way to decorate? And just placing that gold butterfly there encapsulate the meaning of spring, as well as having that Easter flair to it. So guys, yes, I will now position the bunny in its rightful place. I made a replica version of that bunny for the other side of the vase. At this point, guys, let's move on to the table setting for two. Let me show you the various dinnerware items that I will be using. Here I have a white charger. It's a pale white color charger with scallop edges. Very beautiful by itself. I am going to be complementing that with some Chinoiserie dinnerware. These are heirloom pieces that I'm fortunate to have. And I do have the dinner plate. I'm going to be placing the salad plate over that, and then the soup bowl or the salad bowl. Isn't that just beautiful? To finish that up, I am going to be using a yellow, again going with my same color here, yellow napkin. So guys, I am making a very beautiful, classic and simple napkin decor, okay? And to accentuate that, I am using this silver napkin ring, which does have some glitter and glam, of course, to it. As you can see, it is quite simple. If you want to know more how I do my napkin folding, please check out my video. I will definitely attach the link at the bottom so it is easy for you to locate. So guys, there you have it. Simple, class, elegant, glamour. There you go. Look at that. So just like so, I am going to place that over the dinner setting. Exquisite. Ooh, if you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. Guys, this was such a fun activity to do, and I am glad that you are here with me today as I create my spring decor for 2022. And I think it is just a beauty because I love it. I hope you have enjoyed creating the spring decor with me, guys. You know, the silver elements, the bunny rabbit with the Easter egg, the floral design arrangement, coordinating with that light and dark yellow color, the greenery, and a touch of white florals, and the Easter eggs on the floral arrangements. Guys, using the blue and the white Chinoiserie dinner plate setting for two, embellishment again with silver napkin ring. Guys, hello spring, yeah, welcome spring. Guys, the sound of spring is music to my ears, and it is just a spring foot of energy. I wish you all a great spring experience, even as you step into it in your own way, in your own style. But in all that you do, guys, make it to be you. Enjoy yourself, live it every day in a glam lifestyle. Thank you everyone for joining me in this video, and again, happy spring and happy Easter to those of you that celebrate Easter. Happy Easter to each and every one of you. I do look forward to seeing you again in my next video, and remember, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already done so. Thank you all so much. Mwah. Until my next video, Obulu or Kimbefo. Bye bye.